Hey, good weekend day. Actually, it's Sunday morning, and thank you for joining Uncle Mike for the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, you can see I noted last week we need to hold the T8. We were getting rejected off the T8, and yesterday's big move, it opened at the T8. It plowed through the 20 EMA, closed above the 20 EMA, which is a good sign. And now we're close to the 38.2 retracement level. Looks like that was the area of rejection. We'll have to see what happens Monday. If in fact we can get above the 50% retracement level and hold, this is the 50 period EMA. If we can hold, then a short-term bottom looks like it'd be posted for a while. So it looks good to the upside, but we'll see if we get a retest with the bailout plan, if the market likes it, and or what Geithner has to say about the banking system. So it should be an interesting Monday. Let's look at the support and resistance for shorter term. The resistance level of 81.84, it broke that resistance level, and right now we are in a bullish sign for shorter term resistance. Let's take a look at the longer term resistance. The market now is turned up. The most recently confirmed longer term resistance level is around 93.29. So look at that for the next area based on long-term support and resistance to have some stopping power. And then below us it is 78.64. That would be the downside support and resistance. Okay, let's go to our Chande chart checkup. Prices bias is still downwards. In the short term, prices are moving and trending, intermediate term trending. The projected upper bound based on the Chande chart checkup is 88.53. The lower bound is 76.95. So a little bit lower than those trend lines that were posted. Now let's look at the, which one are we going to look at? Rex Takasuji. I like this profile. We take a look at the profile. The Dow closed up 215 points. Volume was 8% above average, and the Bollinger Bands still are 56% narrower than a normal, even with this bigger move on Friday. In the short term, the technical outlook is neutral. Intermediate and long term, though, the technical outlook is still bearish. The Dow Jones is currently 20.5% below its 200 period moving average and is still in a downtrend based on that. Volatility is relatively normal compared with the average volatility over the last 10 periods. The indicators reflect volume flowing in and out of the Dow at an equal pace, which is a neutral sign. The trend forecasting oscillators are currently bearish, and it's had this outlook for 15 periods. The momentum oscillator, though, in the past 14-day period has or is showing a bullish divergence. So again, little mixed signal there. So let's watch out what happens on Monday. Again, most of it may be news driven with the bailout package and what Geithner has to say for the bank bailout package, TARP 2, foreclosures, and so forth. So we'll see how the market reacts to that. Thanks for joining Uncle Mike. Take a look at the website if you like to day trade. We have a day trading room. And if you like equities, then I have a swing trading system that you'll get plenty of information on the website. Again, thank you for joining Uncle Mike, and I will see you on Monday evening for the Dow Directions.